how to log into your ThredUp account step by step. So first of all, simply open your ThredUp, and then from here what are we going to do is simply make sure that we remember all of our credentials of our ThredUp account, right? So from here simply tap on login or sign up, and then we'll get into the login page. From here simply add in the email address of your account, then tap on continue. Then there will be the option of adding down the password of your account. Simply enter that, and then you will be able to see login. Tap on it, and that is all you need to do in order to log into your account, right? But in here, if you have somehow used any of those platforms in order to create or sign up for your ThredUp account, then you can tap on them. It could be your Apple ID, Google, or your Facebook ID too. So simply tap on those platforms, any of those platforms, and then go along with the process of adding down their own credentials in order to log into your ThredUp account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.